learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, we want people to take a walk. If you're tired, sometimes just stepping outside would help your energy. And so it's all about let's go and have a walk. OK, 就是好好走一走。有时候上班的时候说 take a walk， 感觉好像是要炒你鱿鱼啊。对不对？可是呢，我们今天就干脆来上班的时候呢，有的时候这个工作好几个小时，会觉得开始累啊，没精神啊，对不对？那有的时候只是出去走一走，顺便买个咖啡什么，就会提神啦。OK，How do you say 我们去走一走吧？
En來去行行啊啦
En來去行行啊啦，行行啊啦就是走一走吧。
En來去行行啊啦
OK，that means let's go out and have a walk。那我们就在公司喽。可能某个职员像是我啦，就会说好困哦，没精神上班。I feel so tired. I can't focus on work.
很上水哦，
很上水哦，再还打个哈欠。很上水哦，
冇精神上班。
冇精神上班。
很上水哦，冇精神上班。
精神就是精神嘛，对不对？ I don't have the energy to work right now. 上班，
上班
that is 上班 that is to work.
那海陆腔的没精神，冇精神。
冇精神 Okay, that's a different dialect for saying I don't have the energy. I cannot focus right now. All right. 通常人家说打哈欠会传人
啊，
对不对？
我也是啊，我们去走一走吧。
没错 Alice's response is, yeah, me too. And she's yawning as well. And let's go out and have a walk. How do you say that?
捱咩嘿？
捱咩嘿？
En來去行行啊啦。
En來去行行啊啦 Okay? 捱咩嘿 That means 我也是 Me too. Let's go have a walk. And I would say, of course, yeah. Let's go buy some coffee too. 好啊，顺便买咖啡怎么说呢？
好啊，順沙買咖啡。
好啊，順沙買咖啡。咖啡就是咖啡，咖啡。買就是買。Okay? Let's review some of these vocabulary. 好困哦 I feel tired. I'm yawning.
很上水哦，
很上水哦 And then no energy. I don't have the spirit. 沒精神。
冇精神。
冇精神 And then, of course, coffee. Let's have some coffee.
咖啡。
咖啡 That's probably the easiest to remember. And it's all about let's go out and have a walk. 也就是我們去走一走吧。
En來去行行啊啦。
En來去行行啊啦。And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
咱只說張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.